Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto parade. So, oh, this guy's super quick. Blimey. Okay, H6 is a little bit odd. Okay, that's a little bit odd. He's going for an attack. Crikey. I haven't had this much before. This is ambitious, this. Question is, how do I refute it without being mated? Knight c2 to e3. The check here does not do anything. So am I going to get mated on the H file at this rate? In a horrible way. Is there knight f5? Trying to confuse things. I don't know. If that's really worth it. Check. I might just check for knight takes b5.
Check.
Trying to get to his king before he gets to mine. This knight takes b5 and yeah. Okay, slightly weakening his
check
light squares surely. e5 for knight e4 with tempo. So if I take, am I going to get killed on the diagonals? I'll probably end up getting mated. I don't take on g4 here. I got a shot? Rook e2 knight e6. Rook, there's no rook. Yeah, let's take it. All right. Yeah, maybe rook e2 knight e6. Wow. There. Okay. Probably do want the queens off. My head on the clock. Oh, I'm running into a mate here potentially. Oh, I really do want the queens off. Ah, this is getting scary. Check and queen d3. I've got to get these queens off. That looks as though. Oh, hang on a sec. Yeah. All right, queen f4 here. I'm going to end up losing the exchange. Whatever happens. Am I? Or is that there's knight d4 or rook e1? Just get rid of this pin. With that dark square bishop, I'm not happy. Can I play something like knight a4 to stop bishop c5 for the moment?
Check.
If given a chance. Oh my god. The h file. Rook e2.
Check.
He's going to have bishop c5, isn't he? Right, so threatening all sorts. Queen h5. Am I getting mated off queen h5? Queen h4 might be safer. I'm just winning a rook now. Is that knight d2 or knight d4? Still holding. H8 is under the whole H8. This is pretty scary stuff, I gotta say. I'm holding H8 for the moment. He's got knight g4 coming. Or rook d1. Hold on. There's not too many choices here. There's no. Okay. Rook d1 I can take. Okay. Not too many choices, I gotta say.
Check.
Okay, giving up the queen is necessary, I'm afraid.
Check. Check. Check.
It's rook and knight against queen. I'm not too depressed by that at the moment. It's a bit fortressy. That helps. Oh man, disconnect some forfeits. Oh crikey, I've never had anyone do that. I'm the one playing the gambit and he's the one attacking me with all his pawns. Outrageous. Except the engine likes all his play. Oh no. Are you kidding me? The engine likes this. Are you kidding me? Is the engine even suggesting h5? Oh my god.
Check.
It's queen g... Oh.
Check. Check. Check.
This is what a frightening game. He's like +3 all the time. That's not too clever. Rook G8. What a terrifying game.
Check.
I'm happy with this. This is my best position of the game, this fortress with rook and knight. With him not having too much time. Okay. Fun one, yeah. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.